Hello everyone, welcome to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're going to talk about a watch brand that doesn't get a lot of love in the watch community, and that is Raymond Weil.
So yes, I know the proper pronunciation is Raymond Weil. Anyone that's been part of this channel knows that I say things the way I want to say it. So I say, Raymond Weil, get over it. Back to the show.
Before we dive into the lack of love for Raymond Weil, I think it's important to give you guys a brief history on the brand. It all began in 1976 when visionary watchmaker Mr. Raymond Weil embarked on a mission to create watches that would combine both precision, quality, with a touch of elegance. With a deep-rooted passion for the art of watchmaking, he set out to establish his own brand. Weil believed in the power of music and art to transcend boundaries and bring people together. This belief became the cornerstone of the brand's philosophy, infusing their timepieces with artistic inspiration and cultural references. Throughout the years, Raymond Weil has achieved several milestones and introduced innovative watchmaking techniques. From launching their first collection, the Amadeus, to pioneering the use of materials like titanium and high-tech ceramic, their commitment to pushing boundaries has been unwavering. Raymond Weil has collaborated with iconic figures and institutions in the world of music, such as the Beatles and Gibson Guitar Corporation, creating limited edition timepieces that pay homage to these artistic legends. As a family-owned and operated company, Raymond Weil has fostered a sense of heritage and continuity. Guided by the principles of excellence and passion, the Weil family has ensured the brand's continued success and relevance in the ever-evolving watch industry. One aspect that shapes the reception of Raymond Weil among watch enthusiasts is indeed the perception of its brand identity. Some critics argue that the brand lacks a distinctive identity or a strong narrative that resonates with enthusiasts, seeking a unique and compelling story behind their timepieces. The luxury watch market is highly competitive, and price point often plays a significant role in enthusiast opinions. Raymond Weil's positioning in the mid-range luxury segment puts it in direct competition with brands that offer higher levels of craftsmanship, technical innovation, and exclusivity within a similar price range. Quality and movement performance are paramount in the realm of fine watches. Some watch enthusiasts express concerns about the perceived quality and finishing of Raymond Weil watches compared to other Swiss brands. Additionally, the use of third-party movements in some models may also contribute to doubts about the brand's commitment to horological excellence and innovation. Design is subjective, and Raymond Weil's aesthetic choices have generated varying opinions amongst enthusiasts. While some appreciate the brand's focus on classic and timeless designs, others argue that the designs lack the innovation and contemporary flair, per se, that captivate the imagination of discerning collectors. So in conclusion, the reception of Raymond Weil watches amongst watch enthusiasts is influenced by multiple factors: the perception of the brand identity, competitive market positioning, concerns about quality and movement, as well as design choices all contribute to the perceived lack of love for the brand within the watch community. It's important, though, to remember that individual preferences and expectations differ, and what may not resonate with some enthusiasts may hold significant appeal for others. So I hope that this exploration sheds some light on the intriguing dynamics surrounding Raymond Weil's reception among watch enthusiasts. If you found this video insightful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and also for more engaging discussions on luxury timepieces, definitely stay tuned for that. So I want to thank you so much for joining us today, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.